beneath the baobab tree, feeling small, amazed by its majesty. Heard tales of 1,000-year span, whisper softly, I'm just 10. Why do wise humans live so brief? While you stand tall amidst storm and grief. Are you Methuselah, ancient and grand? Long-lived presence I can't understand. My troubles are simple, but boy, sigh deep. Tummy aches, the worst pain I've had to beat. Admiring the baobab's silent grace, wishing for more time in life's embrace. Why do wise humans live so brief? While you stand tall amidst storm and grief. Are you Methuselah, ancient and grand? Long-lived presence I can't understand. My troubles are simple, but boy, sigh deep. Tummy aches, the worst pain I've had to beat. Admiring the baobab's silent grace, wishing for more time in life's embrace. Why do wise humans live so brief? While you stand tall amidst storm and grief. Are you Methuselah, ancient and grand? Long-lived presence I can't understand. Silent tree, but the leaves do speak. Whispers of wisdom, strong and unique. Echoes of ages in the rustling breeze. Boy, here's truth 'neath the old grand trees. Why do wise humans live so brief? While you stand tall amidst storm and grief. Are you Methuselah, ancient and grand? Long-lived presence I can't understand.